Hello everyone, I am Dr. S. Zaman. Today I am going to talk about different types of topical steroids, their indications, adverse effects, and preventive measures. So let's start. Topical steroid is a synthetic anti-inflammatory medicinal preparation for local application on skin. They are available in creams, ointments, gels, lotions, solution, and many other forms. They act by suppression of inflammation as well as immunity. First of all, we have to know where to use them and where not to. Topical steroids are indicated mainly in atopic dermatitis, seborrheic dermatitis or dandruff, airborne contact dermatitis, allergic contact dermatitis or irritant contact dermatitis, psoriasis, lichen planus, papular urticaria or insect bite hypersensitivity, viral rash or drug rash, or any itchy inflammatory allergic condition, any eczematous condition, or as immunosuppressant. We should never use steroid in conditions like any active fungal or bacterial infection as regular skin lightening cream or cosmetic purpose on thin, damaged, red, atrophied, acne-prone skin, over an open and infected wound, tender skin area like face, genitalia, and baby skin should be avoided unless prescribed by a dermatologist. Let's look into different variants of topical steroids according to their potency. At first, low potent steroid creams includes desonide, hydrocortisone, etc. Only these low potent steroids can be applied in children under 2 years of age if prescribed by a dermatologist. Medium potent steroids are like triamcinolone, fluticasone, mometasone, etc. This medium potent cream can be applied in children over 5 years of age. They can also be applied in sensitive areas of our body like face, genitalia, etc. High potent steroid cream includes clobetasol, halobetasol, betamethasone dipropionate. These creams should be applied only when indicated. This should never be applied on children and sensitive body parts like face or genitals. Ideally, high potent steroids are to be used for maximum 2 weeks and then tapered gradually. Now we shall discuss about various adverse effects of topical steroid abuse. These are like skin atrophy or thinning of skin, telangiectasia or dilated superficial blood vessels over skin, purpuric spots, acneiform eruption, perioral dermatitis, excessive hair growth over skin, hypopigmentation, steroid rosacea, increased infections like fungal infections or bacterial infections, delayed wound healing, contact allergy due to steroid. Few others adverse effect includes abnormal pigmentation, stria formation, and atypical tinea infection like tinea incognito. Few systemic adverse effects include diabetes, Cushing syndrome, normal hormonal axis suppression, growth disturbance, and hypertension. Last but not the least, let's look into some precautions of steroid cream use. We should never ever use steroid cream on any purpose without consultation from a skin specialist. They will help you to choose appropriate strength of steroid, get clear instructions on frequency and how much to use. Do not end up steroid abruptly. Consider tapering or reducing strength and frequency of application when skin condition starts to improve. Switch high to low potent steroid if condition starts to improve. Pay close attention to common side effects and inform your physician as early as possible. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel to get regular health tips. Thank you.